Now, root table associations. AWS underscore root underscore table underscore association. This is the moment a street gets connected to a specific root table. Without this association, a subnet exists, but it has no routing rules, no road to follow, completely isolated. Public subnet 0 associated with the public root table. Public subnet 1, same public root table. Public subnet 2, same public root table. All three public streets share one root table, one set of rules. Internet gateway for all of them. Application subnets, different. Each application subnet is associated with its own root table because each one uses the net gateway in its own availability zone. Application subnet in Zone A uses net gateway in Zone A. If Zone A fails, Zone B application subnet still has its own net gateway. No cross-zone net traffic. One root table per zone for application subnets. One shared root table for public subnets. One shared root table for data subnets. Now, the transit gateway attachment. This is the moment the production neighborhood connects to the central junction. Subnet underscore IDs. Production underscore endpoints bracket star bracket dot ID. The star notation, this is a splat expression. It means give me the IDs of all endpoint subnets, all three zones, as a list. The transit gateway attachment connects through the endpoint subnets, not the public subnets, not the application subnets. The dedicated endpoint tier. Transit gateway default root table underscore association, false. Transit gateway default root table underscore propagation, false. Both false. We set this at the resource level too, not just in the transit gateway itself. Belt and braces. The transit gateway was configured to disable defaults, and the attachment confirms it again. No automatic routing, no automatic association, everything explicit. Now, the three routing resources that make the attachment useful. Transit gateway root table association. This assigns the production attachment to the production to shared root table. Production is now controlled by that permit list. Traffic from production only goes where that permit list allows. Transit gateway root table propagation. Transit gateway root table, here is production's CIDR block. Remember it. You can now route back to production. Routes to transit gateway for underscore each. Production's application subnets can reach DevOps and staging via the transit gateway. Notice what is deliberately excluded. HR, finance, their CIDRs are not in this map. Not production cannot route to HR. Production cannot route to finance. Not blocked, not firewalled. The route simply does not exist. That is network segmentation written in code, intentional, explicit, permanent, until an architect deliberately adds it. The production neighborhood is now fully built. 12 streets, 4 tiers, 3 net gateways, connected to the central junction, governed from day one. Next, we build HR, finance, DevOps, staging, QA, the same pattern, different postal codes, different routing rules.